Hey, this is Rick and welcome to another review. This is going to be a simple one. These are silicone containers. You can see inside there. I bought these off of, I can't remember, it was Amazon or eBay. I will put the links in later on. These are good to put in the microwave. I'm trying to get healthier and I'm eating microwave popcorn. This is a microwave popper right here. Kind of made out of the same kind of silicone. This pops up like this. You put the lid on and it rises up. I have another video on my channel if you're interested in that, check it out. And when you make your popcorn, of course you'd like to have butter. Well, butter obviously is not good for you. So I make a recipe of butter. I put it in a container like this and I make it up. And then what I do is I take it out of the refrigerator and I pop it into one of these, how much I want, tablespoon, whatever. And I put this little handy lid on there, pop it in the microwave for about a minute, and good to go. Now, these are microwavable safe. They are silicone containers. They are BPA free so that you won't get sick from them. And you can reuse them and clean them out as many times as you want. And that's what I do. Some people use them for chocolate, like if you're pouring hot chocolate over something, like a cake or cupcakes or something like that. They're useful for that. Really easy to use. Like I said, just pop whatever it is inside the container. The little stopper goes on top of there like that. And what's nice about them is when you pick them up, they won't be really hot to the touch. Like if you put a glass or something inside the microwave that would burn you. Just put it in there for about a minute and pour your butter out on your popcorn or whatever it is your corn, whatever it is you want to melt your butter for. And your significant other will be absolutely ecstatic that you're using something like this because it won't splatter all over the microwave because you have a nice little silicone top that goes on there. Trust me, I'm speaking from experience here. So that's it. That's my review. Look down at the bottom of the description under the video on YouTube here, and I will link to this product where you can get it. I believe I got both of these for around 10-12 bucks, I think it was. I can't remember if it was Amazon or eBay, but check them out. Give me a thumbs up, share the video, and once again, please subscribe. Take care.